let's start. So I'm Kathleen Gao Jinping, the marketing director from NOVOSENSE Microelectronics. So very happy to introduce our company and the products to you today. So this is today's agenda. First, company overview. And then I would like to share the marketing understanding about the electrification, including both the market and the technical side to you. And besides that, I would like to introduce our core isolation technology and the related product line to you. And then the new silicon carbon device for us from NOVOSENSE. And at last, we will have a quick summary. So NOVOSENSE is an analog and mixed signal IC design company. So right now, established from 2030. So right now, we have more than 600 people. About 50% is from R&D. Yeah, and so we entered the stock market in April 2022. And right now, our market value reached roughly $4 billion. So our sales channel, we have multiple sales channels distributed globally, including China, Japan, South Korea, and also Germany in this year. So our product categories can be divided into sensor, signal chain, power management, and which is widely used in automotive and also the PV battery storage and also industrial control systems. So I think right now electrification is a global topic. So I would like to share our understanding on the global market to you. So last year, we know that global NEV sales numbers reached roughly 10.6 million cars. So meanwhile, China reached 6.9 million cars, which occupied the more than 60%. So I think basically electrification is a main trend, and then China is a good market. So from China, I would like to share more about the market understanding on China part. So for the long, roughly 5 years later, you will see that the blue part will be the NEV selling numbers, and the green ones will be the other type car numbers. So definitely you can see in the picture is that the China light vehicle right now, after the corona impact, is in a slow growth pace, and with the CAGR roughly 3%. About that, I think the NEV market is quite attractive and it's a booming with the double-digit increase yearly on yearly. So we will expect more than 50% penetration rate at 2028. So maybe you will ask why you have such a confident level considering current economy. I think as we all know that decarbonization is the hot topic, but they need the policies support. So we all know that China government published the NEV Industrial Development Plan, which in 2020, and accordingly, we have the technical roadmap 2.0 to better guidance what is the future's trends for the electrical vehicles. We can see from the summary from here is that the penetration rate of NEV will gradually increase. So the guidance will be 2030 for 40%, and 2035 more than half. Basically, the key information also listed here. BEV EV will definitely be the focus. So beyond 95% will be the BEV EV. Meanwhile, the fuel-efficient vehicles will grow rapidly. So besides the market, I think also the technical roadmap 2.0 give a clear guidance about the technical side. So basically, year by year, you will see the key message: CLTC, the system efficiency, the power density, and also the motor efficiency will be the key. So based on that, based on the technical requirements and also the customer feedback, we summarize the future trend for the e-mobility, including both inverter, suitable for inverter, and OBC system as well. So high efficiency, high density, high voltage and low cost. So basically, the feedback from our customer is that according to the OEM and tier ones, what is their design focus? I think high efficiency, definitely the high efficiency power device, and also the power density, how to do the system-level integration, including the inverter, OBC, EXO, 4-in-1, 7-in-1, several concept. And also from the IC part, maybe you can integrate the power management system with the LDO, or how to better integration your controller board. And also for the high voltage, definitely the isolation will be the key topic. Also how to manage the common mode caused by the very high DIDT from the power device is also the key for them to handle in system level. Definitely cost will be the absolutely important topic for the tier ones and for the OEMs. So based on that, as a semiconductor supplier, what we can do? I think for the efficiency part, I think we can too much, fronts. So we can see the key summary: silicon to silicon carbon. That can better improve your efficiency, and how to optimize with your driver together with very high efficiency, high switching frequency, lower delay, to do better improvement on the power device. And also how to do the integration in system level and also chip level. And then I think high voltage means isolation. How to eliminate the common mode noise, and then how to do the innovation, including the power device level and also your technology level, then to improve your system cost, not only from the tier one side, but also from our semiconductor side, will be the key trends for the future. So I think speak about the isolation technology, we all know that right now current isolation technology mainly divided into 3 types: the optical, the magnetic, and also the capacitive. So considering the criteria, we all know that lifetime is the key, and also the isolation voltage, the CMTI, and also the transfer rate, and also the integration. Consider all that impact, we all know that capacitive isolation will definitely be the future trend. I think NOVOSENSE is also selected this technology for our products. So what is unique side is that we selected the silicon oxide as the isolation materials, which can provide the customer very high isolation voltage and a better lifetime. Secondly, we also provided the dual-side high voltage capacitor technology, which can further improve your isolation voltage. Besides that, we also have the adaptive OOK technology to better improve your CMTI and to avoid the emission, the noise emission. Finally, we use the differential transfer technology to better improve the CMTI. So like our isolation, isolators and gate drivers, what we can provide is the more than 10 kilowatts isolation voltage and more than 150 kilowatt per microseconds CMTI capability. So with all this technology together, that form the NOVOSENSE isolation technology. So based on that, we formed our isolation technology-related product portfolios, including the isolator, amplifier with the ADC sensing interface, and gate drivers. So for today, I would like to introduce our new gate driver with our basic technology, which fully align with the trend we mentioned, the high voltage. So we can withstand more than 1200 volts surge capability, and that's definitely suitable for high voltage application. And we integrated with the 50 amps output current capability, which a high integration gate driver. And also, we have the ADC 12 bits. It's suitable to do the system integration when you're considering, X component to do the sensor system. So last but most important is that it is a SLD level gate driver. And I think in the past 3 days, the silicon carbon definitely will be a very hot topic. So we also enter this new area today, not today, I think in this year. So this is silicon carbon die based on the JBS technology. So based on all this data, it's based on the test we have, the market available products. So basically, the key features we can see here is that 3 parameters I would like to highlight. First, the ultra low VF, and also the very low leakage current, and ultra high surge current capability as well. So right now we have the 1200 watts, 10 amps to 40 amps categories, which is suitable for the EV charger and PV systems. So besides that, we also have the silicon carbon MOSFET that is based on the planar technology. And besides the lower switching frequency, I think I would like to highlight is that we have the very high breakthrough voltage, which can leave more margins to customer, considering the high DIDT caused by silicon carbon usage. And also, then the lower ISP that will help you to do your better performance and have a better cost position for the silicon carbon chip area. So right now we are having the 1200 watts and the 650 watts products. That is for TO package. So right now we have the products planned in the EV charger, PV, and also automotive OBC DC-DC applications. So due to time limit, we just introduced the oscillator and also power device here. But I think beyond that, also we have the sensor and the signal chain technologies. That is the core technology to support the growth of NOVOSENSE. So based on all these key core technology together, you will see we are a system supplier. Basically, we can support all the automotive applications with the system functions. So in 2022, I think we have shipped more than 1 billion chips to the automotive market. The revenue in automotive area is roughly 23% for NOVOSENSE. So especially take an example like the automotive OBC DC-DC area. I think as we highlighted, we have the excellent isolation technology. Therefore, we have the oscillator ICs, we have the silicon carbon device, and other analog devices that can support the whole system level. So similarly, I think we can also provide the system applications to the PV systems, including the BEV and also including the energy storage, the residential solar systems, and also industrial control systems. Similarly, this is the solar and the residential, system diagram and the part numbers we can offer from NOVOSENSE. So I think to do a quick summary is that today we introduced the isolation technology from NOVOSENSE, and also we introduced our new silicon carbon device. But I think that is good technologies. And finally, I would like to highlight is that NOVOSENSE is a system provider, and which is your reliable partner in the future. Thank you. That's all for today's presentation. And you can contact us through these channels. Also, you can follow me after the speech in Hall 9. Thank you.